Now we're going to look at how to adjust the parameters. First, you need to focus it by either pressing on the touchscreen. This way, focusing the current. We can also do it on the keyboard as well by pressing the corresponding hotkey. For current, it is C, and you can see that it's underlined on the touchscreen as well. Next, you want to change it. So we can double click, and that will bring up a numeric keyboard on the touchscreen. Then we can type it in from there. We can also use the plus and minus key on the touchscreen, up and down. Also on the keyboard, we can use the plus and minus key, and you can also type it in on the keyboard as well. Next, you might want to edit the properties. So let's go to Nodal ERP, and let's say you want to edit the decrementation. We focus what we want to edit, and then we press the edit button, which is the corresponding insert button on the keyboard, and then you can change your properties from there. To modify the stimulus, you can focus it on the touchscreen or press the corresponding function key on the keyboard. To change it, just double click to bring up the numeric keyboard on the touchscreen. Then you can type it in. For example, we'll go to 500. And you can also press the up or down keys on the touchscreen. And then also on the keyboard, you can press the plus minus keys. And you can also type it in on the keyboard as well. To adjust the stimulus, on the keyboard we can press the plus minus button. This will change it up or down by 10. We can press Control plus minus. This will change it by 100. And then we can also press Alt plus minus. And as you can see, this will change it by 5 milliseconds each time. Now let's say you want to change the default settings on a parameter. Let's do this for Nodal ERP. Let's say we want to change the S1 to 700. Okay, now we want to save that. We can press Save in the config menu. Also on the keyboard, you can do this by pressing Alt-S. Now we can save that in Setup 1 that's highlighted. So now that will be permanently saved in Setup 1. Of course, you can also do this for other parameters such as the current as well.